Well, back again, guys. Well, this is probably the ninth episode of this Plush member series, right? Yes, it's been a long time, right, Modi? Yes, it's been a long time since I tried to make, because I was literally focusing on mob battles. Oh, I see why. So, anyways, okay. Is this like another normal day? I don't know if it is another. Wait, Billy, what are you doing here? I don't know. What? Wait, did you just talk again? Why is Lily? This is Lily. Why is Billy here? I don't know. I don't know why am I here. But where's Dr. Pillow Bear? I don't know where he went. But why are you here anyways? Did someone invite you here? Guys? I don't know. Oh, no. Don't you dare. Don't you dare make a bad joke or I'll slap your face. Yes, you're right. Yes, make a bad joke or I'll slap your face. Oh, no! No! It's not cringe. Wait, it's not cringe? It's cringe, we're just joking. Oh! Wow, what a great start. A vine boom, Carmody. Yes? I have no idea why are you here, and your name sounds similar to mine. Yeah, Lily. It's like Lily, and Billy's like Billy. Similar enough, but not close enough. You're smart. Thanks. But what are we doing here anyways? I don't know. Holy cow! Is that you? Oh no! Can you just get the heck out of here, mans? I don't have a replacement. No, wait. Talk about this. No! Hatred. She didn't even do anything. That is so stupid. I'm back. Yes. Alright. What is going on here anyways? Hello, Pepperface. Oh my god. We didn't ever see that phone guy anywhere. But where did he even went? You're right. We didn't even see him past couple of episodes, and we did not even see that guy. You're right, Lily. But where did he even went? I have no clue where he went. I don't know. I'm back for a time for more. Oh no! Yes, I'm back for my stupid idiots. Oh, hell no, not again. Not again, not. Oh, no! Ha, got him. Help me! No more helps. Oh, no! Oh, my God, what the flip-ager. Balin! What have you done? What have you done? Oh, no. Lily got consumed. Oh, my God, not again. This always happens on the last episode. No, no! Oh my god! There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do now, stupids. What? Ah! I'm out. Me too. What? My powers are all loosened. No! You guys are going to pay for stupid. No, you're not. We're going to fight you. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Destroy his stupid face. Oh! Oh my god, what the freak? Ah! Destroy your freaking flippin' face. I thought this is my revenge. Wow! Get away, you stupid nerd. You're so stupid and I thought it would be. Oh! Alright, looks like we won. Not for long. That I have consumed everyone. Oh no! We can't even leave this barrier. We're so doomed. Well, we are. That scream won't help. Help me! No more. I'm immune again. You really think that slap pager would help? Oh no, man! I have now consumed. Help, man! Help, man! Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh no! Holy crap. There's no way we can kill it. It's consuming everyone in this world. Well, I'm freed. Oh, you dumb nerd. Haha, there's nothing you can do, fat man. Oh, really? Ah! What the hell? Ah! There's no way nothing you could do. I'm furious with everyone. With the jokes. With the creepies. More creepies. With more creepies. Oh my god, I have lost their mind. Oh no! Run! Master of destruction. Oh no! Attack! 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 Oh! No! We're freed! We're freed! Let's go! You fooled my tricks. Really, you suck. Ow! Oh, you suck too, you nerd. Oh my flipping god. I give up. All of you suck. All of you suck. What? I will never suck, so I will never lose. Gotta play. Gotta. Yeah. What the? Yeah. Yes, go. Attack! Oh my god, back for more. Ow! Huh. There's nothing I can do. I won. Oh no, are you dead? He's dead. Oh no. Oh really, stupid villain. I'm not no villain. What's with all this slaughtering? Oh god. No! Get this face nerd off of me. No way this thing will stop, pager. Yeah. There. You're stupid, dumb, thick-lippin' nerds. I will never give up. I will kill myself instead. And I'll be even more strong. I'm back for more fun things. Oh no, you're not doing that. You betrayed everyone to be favor. Yes. And oh god. Only the goats have fun. No! Oh! No! No! Ah! Well, that's done. Let's have a Spooktober party. I want to join in. No, I said no, you nerd. Oh! Oh no, I got stuck. No! Oh my god, he's back for more. Hell! Let him out of there! You monstrosity of the thing! Get out! I can't get rid of him. How about this? Yeah! Get out! Get out! I can't remove him. Help me, guys. Help. I'm out. Get out. No, I got trapped. No! Oh my god. This is a painful thing I've ever seen. You're right. Everyone, attack it! Let's go! Woo! Alright, elephant. I'm the strongest! Oh god, no! No! I'm here. Woo! No! Oh! Why is this always a stupid monkey keep returning? Oh! Oh! You must be dead. Oh! Lily. Alright. Oh no, I'm being trapped. No! Help! Oh my god, Lily. Get me out of here! Where's my friend Totoro? You stupid monkey, get out of my frickin' face! Ah! Totoro, are you okay? Tatara, you're here. Oh my god. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh my god, that was pain. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Oh my god. Well, that was relief. Well, I think that's all for this episode, guys. So thanks so much for watching and subscribe. Bye.